Hello, our group project for Iowa State Engineering Senior Design Spring 2024. Our group worked with Pella Windows and Doors. We are group number 2. My name is Nick Austin. My group members are Josh Alexander, Chloe Graber, and Cole Keiper. The first objective that we were asked to complete was to reduce this warehouse square footage by 20%. We found that if Pella were to load the orders directly onto the trucks, it would save 480 square feet in the warehouse. Our second objective was to decrease forklift travel distance by 10%. By implementing AMR, or automated robots, off-bear forklift travel distance would be reduced by 33%. Our other objective was to improve the technology in the warehouse. Along with AMRs, time saving would increase by $52,758 by implementing RFID as well.
For our current state analysis, the first picture shows a spaghetti diagram of an off-bear forklift driving back and forth from one of the lines to the warehouse. You can see in the picture that they drive back and forth quite a bit, so this was one of the things that we wanted to fix. And then the second picture shows the average time spent of a forklift operator scanning windows on a pallet, and the average was 20.1 seconds per pallet. And the different variation in the bars shows because of the different amount of windows that were on each pallet, and not because of a random event occurring. But this also just shows that a lot of time spent scanning windows on a pallet that doesn't need to be spent.
After the current state analysis, the group's solution to the problems at Carroll, Iowa were to implement radio frequency identification system, or RFID tags, to every window to know where they are in the warehouse and keep track of them on skids when they are being loaded and offloaded from the lines, as well as implementing AMRs to perform the off-bearing tasks from lines to the warehouse. And lastly, loading the windows that are being shipped from Carroll, Iowa to Pella, Iowa directly onto the trailers, which would save space in the warehouse.
The total budget for this project is estimated to be around $330,000. The majority of this cost comes from the new technology that will be needed. A lot of this is in the RFID tags and the AMRs, which combine for about $250,000 of the $330,000 total. The other main cost is going to be with training all of the employees and supervisors on how these new systems work, and then some other various costs with the implementation of these new projects. With this total cost of $335,000, we expect to save $825,000 over 3 years. This nets us a return of $490,000 and a total ROI of 146%.
We just want to say from Group 2, thank you to Sean and the team at Pella for all their cooperation through this project, and it was a very valuable experience.